What are you getting? Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Let me tell you. No, I don't mind your tears. This video must be posted and I must send it to Richard. Come on, let's go! Let's go! My potato!
What took you so long, King?
No mind me, Jagani. It's set for you. What's up now?
I'm good.
Fine girl.
Hope you like what you see.
I love it. I love it. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
So let me ask you, be plain to me. Don't lie to me. Do you have a boyfriend?
Boyfriend? I don't have a boyfriend though.
Come on, tell me you're joking.
I'm serious now.
Fine girl like you, don't get boyfriend.
I don't have any boyfriend.
To God.
Yes. Don't worry. You have me to yourself. All for the night.
See potato! Mama, let's go. You don't have a boyfriend! But your fiancé Richard, that stays in Canada, gave me your number to test your faithfulness.
Richard.
You're a disgrace.
Wait. Let's talk about
Don't touch me!
Wait. Richard.
Is Richard not a fiancé?
Yes, wait.
You have a fiancé in Canada and he sends you money regularly.
I was just looking for urgent money.
Urgent money?
It's always around.
After the money Richard will send to you, you are sitting hook up. He just proposed to you not a month ago. Women, why do you like this?
Please don't tell him things that make you.
You have a fiancé and you are doing hook up for how much? Why people greedy? Women.
Please don't tell John.
You're a disgrace! See, let me tell you, this is a prank! Look at the camera! Come on! Your fiancé, Richard, actually asked me to test your faithfulness.
What am I saying?
Please don't tell him.
You have a boyfriend, not even a boyfriend! You have a fiancé who just proposed to you, leave me alone, not up to a month!
Don't say it to him.
And you are still doing hook up. Why are you girls like this?
I was just looking for money.
Maybe for money?
Yes.
You look for money, your fiancé Richard sends you money for Canada regularly. Why? This is a prank.
Please don't say it to him.
Let me tell you, I am sending this video to Richard and I'm posting this video on my page. Your marriage to be is dissolved. You people are greedy. You're kung
I beg you. I'm not doing taken.
What are you getting?
I'm not doing taken.
You have someone that loves you, takes care of you, gives you money, yet you choose to do hook up. For how much?
I'm not doing taken. Please don't tell me. I'm not trying to.
You have a fiancé. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Let me tell you.